Why is Chrome ignoring /etc/hosts on OS X? I'm using OS X 10.8.5 and Chrome 30. I added 127.0.0.1 youtube.com to my /etc/hosts file such that it now contains this. When I run the command traceroute youtube.com, I receive the expected results. youtube.com is resolved to 127.0.0.1. However, when I type youtube.com in Chrome, my browser doesn't establish a connection with 127.0.0.1 but instead with a normal IP address for YouTube. I would have expected Chrome to resolve youtube.com to 127.0.0.1. I have Chrome configured to use my system's proxy settings. In OS X, when I go to System Preferences and GT, Network and GT, Advanced, and GT, Proxies, I have selected Auto Proxy Discovery. Why is Chrome seemingly ignoring my /etc/hosts file? Try adding www.youtube.com to your host's file. youtube.com is redirected permanently to www.youtube.com, so as long as you have visited youtube.com once, your browser caches this response and redirects you to www.youtube.com. This address isn't in your host's file, so Chrome logically resolves it correctly.
Google Chrome ignores your host's file and does actual DNS lookups, despite what others may think. /etc/hosts is not part of DNS, it is what was used prior to DNS. While Google Chrome should be honoring those hosts' file entries, it does not. The host's file, being an alternative to DNS, will be read when no DNS server is available, like if you disabled your network connection. You can test this by adding 127.0.0.1 foobar.dev to your host's file, then enabling Wireshark and watching on your network interface. Open up Chrome and put http://foobar.dev/ in your address bar and go. You'll see a DNS query in Wireshark, something like foo. Google DNS returns 127.0.53.53 for foobar.dev. A workaround would be to use hostadmin, which is an older Chrome extension that makes Chrome use the hosts. However, newer versions of Chrome and GT 38 apparently no longer support it.
I fixed this problem by turn off protect you and your device from dangerous sites in Chrome's advanced preferences. Chrome's built-in protection includes checking a domain against their own DNS directly and bypassing certain types of host entries it deems suspicious or entries for sites that exist that are being overridden, which means most custom host entries are ignored. Especially dev and local entries used for development. Turning this off has resolved the issue 100% of the time for me. This was driving me mad for months when doing local development and I couldn't find the answer listed anywhere. Everyone just kept saying it couldn't be happening. Turns out it was a simple toggle in advanced settings. Hope this helps you as well. Cheers.
I stumbled upon this question by thinking that the host's file didn't work on Chrome for macOS for the .dev fake domains I use for development. Actually it does work, at least on Chrome 77. The issue is not that the domain is not found, but that all dev are now automatically redirected to HTTPS. If you double-click on the domain name, you can see the culprit. Now that Google broke our .dev as a solution, the link above suggests to move to another TLD for development, like .test or .localhost.
Schuberts.